is a inventory report, how to print it, how to use it, okay? Inventory report comes through the blue screen. Is everyone familiar with the blue screen? I know you are, I know you are. Not familiar with the blue screen, okay. We'll actually do some hands-on here in a minute. Through the blue screen, there are choices of how to pick the next screen you go to. We're gonna go to 281, write this down. We're gonna go to 281. This is an inventory report. At first, you're gonna need your notes. After you figure out how nice this report is, and you do it a few times, you won't need your notes anymore. Through the 281 report, you can create a report by location. You can create a report by stock number. You can create a report by many things. These are going to be the two that you will use a shit out of. Creating a report by location and creating a report by stock number. So when you get in there to the 281 report, it's going to give you the option of how you want to print the report. And you're going to pick, for example, you're going to pick, I want to print a report by location. And then it's going to say, okay, what locations do you want? And you're going to say, tell me the location we were just looking at, Joseph.
A6, A7.
You're going to say A6?
Yeah, it was A6, A7.
Wasn't it A1, A7?
Oh, no, okay. I thought you were talking about the European Machine.
That's okay.
A1, AB.
A1,
AC. Sorry.
AC. Okay, so that whole section right there, is A1, right? So here's what you can do. You can either print it A1 AC, or if you're going to do an audit of all of it, you can do A1 question mark, question mark, question mark. You got to make this 10 characters. So basically you just hold down the question mark button until it's at 10 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 characters. Okay, so this needs to be 10 characters to run this report if you want to do it with the question mark. So you can do the whole A1 section. You can do the whole A section. You can do the whole A1. I just want to look at what's on the ground in A1. There you go.
That makes sense.
Or you can be specific and you can say, I want to see what's in A1 AC. Okay, this would be how you search by stock or by location. Any questions on that? And we're going to do this on the screen right now. If there's no questions, I'm going to show you how to search by stock number. It's very similar. By stock number, it's going to say, what parts do you want to look at? And you can either say all, or you can say spindles, or you can say windows, front door windows, whatever. You put whatever part you want. All is an option, okay? So after you pick that, you want to look at every single spindle we have that starts with the stock number 15. You do the same thing. 10 characters, 15 and 10 characters. And it's going to show you every stock number that you have that is a spindle. Every spindle you have that starts with 15 as a stock number. It's going to show you every one of them. This is going to help you to identify if that spindle's in inventory on a report. So if you want to print a report, you want to know all here's something we're dealing with right now. I want to know all these parts. Spindle hub, strut, caliper. Is that all of them? Is there another part that we're landing on?
Running boards.
running boards,
and rocker motors.
rocker moldings. Okay, there's your list of parts. It's gonna ask you your list of parts. Then you're gonna put in 15 question mark, and then you're gonna put in 16 question mark, and it's gonna let you do this. And then run report. So now you're going out there with a loaded report, and you can go down and check, 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 check. Oh, this one's not in inventory. This one's not in inventory. Check, check, check. This one's not in inventory. This is going to allow you to recognize what's in inventory and what needs to be put in inventory. Make sense? Okay. Let's move to the screen. Let's turn this into on the screen here. So I'll try and do this so everybody can see it. Here's the blue screen. It says Terminal 1 at the top of the blue screen. Whose computer is this? How do I log in here?
It's under my
Matthew?
brand.
Can you log into that, Matthew? Just type. It's ready. Okay. So, when I said 281, number 2 is inventory. 8 is print reports. 1 is a customized inventory report. Part we want to search. Spindle. Take over, Joseph.
Spindle. We want to go A1.
Nope. It's asking you for the parts.
Oh.
You know what? I got a great idea. Let's just do spindle.
Just do spindle? Okay.
Just do spindle.
Oh, I love the backspace.
That's okay. So we're just going to do spindle on this report, just for simplicity. Now here, so at the last one I just hit enter and it took me down to here. So now we want to look by location. Now here's another thing you can do. We want to see, do we want to look by stock number? Probably by stock number. Is that the S? We want to look by stock number. Or do we want to look by location?
Stock number.
Yeah, okay, stock number, great. Let's look by stock number, okay. And then let's pick 15 and then question mark. I just hold it down until it hits the end. Enter. 16 question mark. Oops. That's all I want to see. So now I'm going to hit enter. And then the rest of this, it'll ask you, do you want to see the location it's in? Sure. Let's see the location it's in. And then that's all I really need. I'm not worried about condition or type. So then I'm going to hit Q to quit or just hit enter. Subtotals for stock number, no. Print only items needing interchange assigned. So this would mean it's a star U star. So it's giving you the option to print a star U star report. So maybe there's a spindle that's not assigned an interchange number. This is where you would do if you just wanted to see star U stars, but that's not what we're after. Days in inventory, models. Now right here it gets to model. All you can do is hit enter unless you're looking for a specific model. Hit enter, it's gonna give you all. And then leave the next one blank, just hit enter again. Now it's time to print your report. So run report. And then anybody know how to print here? Let's just do screen.
It should automatically print there, but for the blue screen, I don't know if it's set up that way.
Okay, so here we go, by screen. There's all your 15 stock numbers that have a spindle in order by stock number and location. And it goes through the whole thing. That's all the spindles you have for 15. Now we get into 16. So now if you see one for stock number 1727, you'll know it's not in inventory.
Yeah.
And then you push it aside. It needs to be put in inventory. $18s, $19s. And you have more and more the newer you get, because all this stuff just came in. And then there's the end of your report. That's the value you have in spindles, retail, and wholesale. Now that report is still there. So now I want to print this report. So I know how to print out there, so I just printed it out there to RPT1. I'll work with you on this as many times as I need to. I don't think it'll take many times for you to get it, because I think you'll be using it over and over. Any questions on that?
No, I just have to play with it a little bit and play with it, and it seems like it's pretty, pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, it really is. It really is. So, you know where RPT1 is? You know which printer that is up in the front?
No.
Can you go grab that report? Make sure there's no invoices or work orders with it, please. What am I at on time?
11 minutes.
Okay, let's call it.
Okay.